Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best plastic tumbler is probably one of the most versatile and essential items in your daily life. From staying hydrated at the gym to enjoying your favorite beverage on the go, a reliable tumbler is a must-have. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of plastic tumblers, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Number 5. US Acrylic 20 ounces Reusable Tumblers, set of 16. These tumblers are made in the USA, and designed for your convenience. This set of 16, 20-ounce glasses are perfect for everyday use. Crafted from BPA-free plastic, they ensure safety and quality. Lightweight and shatter-resistant, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor use. With a smooth top edge and classic textured wall design, it offers both style and practicality. The design will add an updated look to your kitchen. These tumblers are perfect for parties, family gatherings, and outdoor events. It's a great addition to any college dorm, RV, or camper. Stackable and dishwasher safe, it's designed for easy storage and cleanup. Entertain outdoors at the patio, pool, or hot tub with these durable pieces. Available in multiple colors, it's suitable for any drinkware need. The 20-ounce cup is 3.00 diameter x 6.13 tall. What we like? These tumblers are proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. Their stackable design saves valuable space in your cabinets. If you're looking for a reliable and space-saving solution for everyday use or entertaining, this set is a great choice. What people say? They are exactly as their description reads. Very much like the glasses used by little mom and pop diners, slightly bumpy texture on the outside with smooth rims and insides. These cups hold 20 ounces but don't look or feel huge. Kid-proof, stain-proof, dishwasher-proof, they are good. Number 4. SCANDINOVIA Unbreakable Acrylic Drinking Glasses. These crystal-clear drinking glasses are designed to look like real glass. You can enjoy worry-free sipping both indoors and outdoors with this durable plastic drinkware. Enhance your table setting with an eye-catching palette. These premium acrylic cups come in rich hues that will keep your guests mesmerized and their drinks personalized. Tired of tedious cleanups? These acrylic drinking glasses are dishwasher safe and boast flat bottoms. This ensures a spotless shine every time, replacing other types of drinkware. From family dinners to poolside parties, these glasses are perfect for any event. Impress your guests and safeguard your home with this shatterproof drinkware. Delight loved ones with a gift that's both practical and elegant. These exquisite glasses are ideal for housewarmings, weddings, or birthdays. It will leave a lasting impression and can be excellent Christmas gifts. What we like? These glasses are crafted in Japan, offering an unbreakable design that mimics real glass. They come in a vibrant color array to elevate any table setting. If you want a stylish and durable option for both indoor and outdoor use, these are perfect for you. What people say? The tumbler is great for keeping drinks cold. I like the design of the tumbler. The lid is easy to clean. Number 3. SCANDINOVIA Unbreakable Acrylic Drinking Glasses. Introducing these premium drinking glasses, made from top-quality, unbreakable material. They offer the luxury of real glass without the risk of breakage, perfect for any occasion. These are 100% made in Japan. Elevate your beverage experience with an alluring assortment of colors. These captivating glasses are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, enhancing every sip with style and charm. They are BPA-free and will bring joy to your home. Reclaim your cabinet space with these sleek, stackable glasses. Their ingenious design allows for effortless storage, making them a must-have addition to your collection. These are also suitable for kitchen use. Tired of dull, cloudy cups? These mesmerizing drinking glasses maintain their sparkle and clarity through countless wash cycles, ensuring a stunning presentation every time. It is perfect for any drink. Delight loved ones with a gift that's equal parts practical and elegant. Ideal for housewarmings, weddings, or birthdays, these exquisite cups will leave a lasting impression. Give the gift of elegance. What we like? These glasses offer unbreakable elegance and are also stackable, saving space in your kitchen. They are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. If you are looking for a practical and elegant gift, consider this set. What people say. Crystal clear and beautiful colors. Terrific everyday glasses, not too big, thin rims and as pleasant to drink from as glass. The beauty of glass but without a certain death on our ceramic tile floors or trips outside on the terrace. You would never know they're plastic without handling them. Overall excellent quality and durability. They are a great size, not too big, but big enough. They are very pretty, very sturdy and nice to drink from given the feel of the lip of the cup. Beautiful and sturdy glasses. They hold up to kids and the dishwasher. Great size for everyday beverages. Add a touch of fun color to the kitchen. Number 2. US Acrylic Splash 16-piece 18-ounce stackable tumblers. These stackable tumblers are made in the USA and are BPA-free, ensuring safety for you and your family. They are perfect for everyday use, both indoors and outdoors. Featuring a smooth top edge and a unique ripple line pattern, these cups add elegance to any setting. The lightweight design makes them easy to handle and they stack easily to save space. Forget about the worry of breakage with these shatter-resistant tumblers. They're ideal for parties, family gatherings, or even a dorm room. Consider them as a great gift. Designed for convenience, these tumblers are stackable and top-rack dishwasher safe. This makes storage and cleanup a breeze, adding ease to your daily routine. Available in coastal colors, these 18-ounce cups are perfect for any drink. They are great for the patio, pool, or hot tub, offering a versatile solution for all your drinkware needs. What we like. These tumblers come in beautiful coastal colors, adding a touch of elegance to your table. They are stackable and shatter-resistant, perfect for outdoor use. If you like a stylish and durable option for everyday use or entertaining, you should consider these. What people say. The tumbler is great for keeping drinks cold for hours. The design is sleek and modern. The lid seals tightly, preventing any leaks. Number 1. US Acrylic Palmetto 20-ounce stackable tumblers, set of 16. These American-made tumblers are designed for your everyday drinks. This set of 16, 20-ounce glasses are crafted from BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and quality. The tumblers feature a smooth top edge for easy sipping. The unique swirl pattern adds a touch of elegance while remaining lightweight for easy handling. It will add an updated look to your kitchen. Say goodbye to breakage worries. These shatter-resistant tumblers are perfect for parties, family gatherings, and outdoor events. They're a great addition to any dorm room or new household. Designed for easy storage and cleanup, these tumblers add convenience to your daily routine. They are stackable and dishwasher safe, making life easier. Entertain outdoors with these durable pieces. The 20-ounce clear cup is versatile and suitable for any drinkware need. It's the perfect size for any beverage. Consider adding them as a wedding registry gift. What we like. These clear tumblers are stackable and shatter-resistant, making them ideal for any occasion. They are also made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you are looking for a simple, yet elegant solution for your drinkware needs, this set is a great choice. What people say. The tumbler is great for keeping drinks cold. The lid is easy to clean. The size is perfect for my car cup holder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.